What if I told you that success was 80% mental and 20% tactical? What if I told you that you already knew enough? What if I told you that learning more and more tactics, new tactics, was just a waste of time? It was gonna cause you to fail instead of succeed. You see, success is 80% mental and 20% tactical. And you probably can't believe me right now. I wouldn't have believed me 3 years ago. I wouldn't have believed me 4 years ago. But success is 80% mental and 20% tactical. Maybe even 90% mental and 20% tactical. 10% tactical. Once you get your beliefs on your side, once you start believing in what you're doing, once you believe what you're doing, everything becomes so much simpler. But if you try to force things, force versus flow, if you try to force things and you continue to try to force your success, you continue to try to push your way to success, it's going to continue to be hard. And it may get harder, and it may get harder, and it may get harder, because that's what we believe it's supposed to be. But once you get your beliefs on your side to what you're doing, once you begin to understand yourself and you begin to implement and take action on your intuition, on what feels right inside of you, everything becomes so much simpler. Again, success is 80% mental and 20% tactical. Begin to work on your mind. Begin to work on your thought process around your success. Begin to work on your thought process around what you have in life, around what you want to achieve. And it will become so much simpler. But if you continue to focus just on the tactics, just on the hard work, just on the work aspect of it, it's going to continue to be hard. And you're not going to be able to achieve the levels of success that you are capable of achieving. They say 1 hour of inner work is worth 7 hours of outer work. 1 hour of internal work is equivalent to 7 hours of external work. Think about that one. Ponder that. Success is 80% mental and 20% tactical.